Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Node.js program which runs in the command line, which converts your SVG files, which is scalable vector graphics, into PDF. So we have a set of SVG file here, so I will convert this into PDF. So I've written a simple Node.js script right here, 38 lines of code. So it is using this third-party package Puppeteer, which is an automation library. So as I run this script, so this script is there here. You will see I just execute the script node index.js, and after that I provide it with the input file name and the output file name. So this, we are calling this script here Node.js script, providing the input file name, which is car.svg, and then the output file name. So Puppeteer will run in the background and it will carry out this conversion. So once it is completed, it will give you this notification that PDF is converted and it is saved. So you will see that your SVG file is successfully converted to the PDF file here. So this was the input file and this is your output PDF file. So if I show you, open it in the browser, it looks something like this. The quality of the SVG is also preserved. So all the source code I have given in the description. So now let's get started. So first of all, you just need to install this module, which is Puppeteer, npm ipu. So you just need this module. So just install this inside the command line and just now we'll start writing the code here. So first of all, we need to import this some modules here, the file system module, which will be needed, which is a built-in module, and also we'll need the Puppeteer module. So we'll require this, and then we also need to require the path module, and here we will provide the input SVG, which we will get in process.argv, which is the arguments that you will provide here, and then the output PDF, which we can get like this. If the output file is not given, then we will name it output PDF, which is a default name, and after that we will just execute this function right here, asynchronous function, which will automatically run. So inside this function, what we will do, we will check that if the SVG file is not provided, then we will simply say to the user that please provide the SVG file path, and then we will first of all read the SVG file content by the file system module by using this function read file sync. We will read it inside UTF-8 encoding type, and after that we will use this Puppeteer library. First of all, we will embed everything inside this HTML tag, then the body, then inside the div we will embed everything. This is your SVG content. So this is required because we will be using Puppeteer library, so we need to first of all open the browser. So this Puppeteer library contains this function, launch function. So after launching the browser, we will go to this page. So for going to the page, we have this function here, browser dot. To open a new page, we have a function in Puppeteer. So we'll call this function. We will go to this page and then we will load the content. So page dot set content right here, and after that here we need to pass the HTML content that we got, and the second argument here is wait until network idle. So this is the basic way by which we can use Puppeteer here. After this step, we will evaluate the page to get the dimensions of the page and store it inside this variable. So we have this function evaluate, So this function will return the dimensions. So we will target this element. Query selector will target this SVG tag that we have declared. If you see, we have this SVG content, so we target this tag, and then we will simply return from this function the actual width of the SVG. So SVG get attribute width, and similarly we will be getting the height as well. So after getting both these values, so now we will now be creating the PDF. So in Puppeteer you can easily create the PDF using this PDF function which is available. So inside this we will pass the object, the path where we need to store, then the width which comes from dimensions width, and height, dimensions height, print background to be true. So after that we just need to close the browser using this function, and then just show a simple notification to the user that your PDF is generated successfully. So this completes the application, and if you try to go to the terminal and just type Node.js and just provide the input file name and the output, so it will carry out these conversions, and all the source code will be given in the description. So I think I made some kind of typo mistake right here. Just wait. Oh, sorry, we will not calling this function, we need to call this function. So once again, and execute this command, and you will see this notification PDF saved to car.pdf. So your SVG is successfully converted to a PDF file using this Puppeteer package. So this is the basic script, guys, Node.js script. You can even refer to my blog post where I provided the full source code. And thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image.